welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the third episode of my makeover series. And are you guys excited? So today I will make over my balcony. So if you have been following my channel from before, then you knew that we already moved to a new apartment, and in this series, this makeover series, I will show you how I will make over the whole apartment. And if you are new here, then you can go through my previous video. I will share all the links on my description box. Please go through it. So if you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel. And so let's quickly jump to my main video. So let's get started.
Hello.
So this is my old balcony look, and if you are following me from before, then you already saw the condition of my balcony. And our owner finally decided to renovate the whole balcony. After 2 months of renovation, we got our balcony fixed. I really love this concrete color of tiles. We want some privacy, so we covered the whole balcony with this balcony cover, and we tied them with zip ties because it is really strong to hold this heavy cover. We bought this from Amazon. If you want, you can also buy this. Link is on my description box. Please go through it. I must say, in this whole project, my hubby really helped me out, and some of his ideas really shocked me. We had this black wood piece, and we bought these 4 legs from IKEA. It cost around €3 per leg. Then we installed these 4 legs on the wood like this. They are very strong, I must say, and they are strong enough to hold this table. You can also buy it from Amazon, but they will cost you more. Finally, our balcony table is ready. We painted the whole table with the outdoor varnish. And look at this shine. Then we also bought a garden rack from IKEA recently. It cost around 8 to 12 euro. We tried to install it following the manual, and we finally installed it after 2 hours of struggles. So now, do you remember my temple makeover episode? This is the 4-panel room divider we bought from Amazon. I will share the link on my description box. Please go through it if you want to buy. So we divided the room divider into 2 parts. One I use in the temple makeover, and this one I will use in this balcony to cover the side. On the other side, we installed this old bed cover or panel. I have no idea what it is called. Actually, I plan to make a hanging garden in this panel. I already uploaded my balcony DIY projects video. Please go through it. Link is on my description box. So these are the products we bought from Amazon. I will share all the links on my description box. And this is the solar light, and these are the green artificial leaves. I think it's a great deal, so we bought it. So let's install it. I cannot wait till morning, so we just did it today's evening. And look at this, it looks really pretty. Next day again we decorated the hanging garden with those artificial green leaves. It looks amazingly beautiful. After that we decorated the room divider as well. Must be you already noticed till now, I really love to buy stuff from Teddy. So I recently bought this floor runner. It's the same pattern, but the color of the border it's different, but the same quality, and it's really perfect for my balcony. So I joined them the boat runner, and just see, it turns out to be a good outdoor rug. Then we unfolded our folding outdoor chairs. We kept all our pots on the garden rack. Actually, we don't have lots of outdoor plants, and only for this makeover I bring some indoor plants as well, so that it looks good. Now I placed a side table between both chairs. Again from Teddy I bought this pot and golden stone bottle, with which I made a beautiful candle holder. Then I placed all my old mandala artworks and my old DIY projects for decoration. All the video links are on my description box. Please don't forget to go through it. To install my wall decor, I used some double tapes. I placed those on the side of this garden rack. Time for finishing that. Oh, sorry, that. Now it is time to reveal the final look of my beautiful balcony. Are you excited? So let's go! like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel, and please share with your friends and family. And you can follow me on my Instagram page. All the links are on my description box. Please go through it, and I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye.